Yeah, CB radio fans, hello, I'm back with my old Sony CRF-330K. Yeah, it's my old shortwave radio, my lovely shortwave radio here. But I used to repair the S meter. The S meter is freezed on, and the tape deck here. The tape deck needs a belt replace. Yes, I think 3 or 4 belts are lazy here. Okay, but that's not the problem. We look a little bit on 70 megahertz here on SSB on AM with my old lovely radio here, the power on here, and now we are on tape deck. We go to radio.
Switzerland, standing by.
Whoa, okay, super, yeah.
Radio, Switzerland, 517, 517, USA.
Copy that. Yep, been through it a few times myself. So, well, you have a good day up there. Enjoy your 4 inches of snow. Stay warm and take care of yourself in northern New Hampshire.
Yeah, New Hampshire, I can copy you, Radio 4. This is Radio Switzerland. Give me Roger.
Yes, there is a station from Switzerland and from the USA.
517 USA. Come on back. The station from New Hampshire, I can copy you. This is Radio Switzerland, standing by for you.
Yes, a very nice radio. I very love this rig.
The station from New Hampshire. This is Radio Switzerland, standing by.
002 458.
Yes.
I can copy you. This is Radio Switzerland, standing by.
Only this antenna here, the road antenna, is only with the
All right,
road
my brother,
antenna.
enjoy your day. 002 458. Stand by.
Yeah.
All are security access is Europe.
Cool. Oh, we go on AM. USA wave. What's up on channel 6 here? Oh, what's that? Very strong station here. Okay, that's the problem with a tape deck here. The lazy belts. I will check. It's a terrible noise. Okay. I will find time to repair the radio here. Okay, I wish you all a nice weekend and good luck. See you later. Bye bye.